Hello everyone, I am Alex. This is my first video for my travel channel. I am in Antalya now, and Antalya one of the most popular place in the Turkey. Actually also in the world, because a lot of tourists come here for travel. And I will stay 5 days in the 5-star hotel, and I will share my experience about this hotel. What kind of experience you can expect? Actually, I will share about the cooking, what kind of eatings, delicious or not, also cleaning, how is the cleaning service, also pool, sea and another things. We are in the Manavgat Side Kumkoy now. And also hotel name Sunis Kumkoy Beach Resort Hotel, 5-star hotel, and we will see what kind of 5-star hotel, and also you can get some idea about this hotel with my experience. So I am in room now, and I want to show you my balcony, what kind of view. I paid little extra money, about 60 US dollar, and they are giving me some sea view room. So let's see. You can look wonderful sea, and I am little unlucky because this is my first day and you can see the rain, but you can see also wonderful pool, good palm and everything looking so wonderful. So this is what I want, guys, and let's continue. I want to go first close pool because little rainy, reason this. I will talk with you on there, and we will see what kind of close pool on there. See you guys. So people, I just arrived at closing pool, and I want to show you what kind of place here. First impression is looking really so good. I will dive with my case GoPro, and I will show you under view of pool. So looking so nice. We will see in the underview video. So guys, we tested swimming pool with my brother. We have seen the every videos. This is really nice. I recommend to come one time, especially in the rainy days. Visit the closing swimming pool. Really great. So guys, we decided to go outside swimming pool. So you can see my brother. Hello. He is really nice guy, and you will see in my next uploads. I will upload Thailand and Philippines videos. Every sponsored with my brother. I am so thankful for him. Grateful.
Fresh air, beautiful.
So we are begin to walking to around hotel, and you can see wonderful view, palm trees. As I said before, I very like palm trees. I can feel the wonderful smells. So great. I'm impatient for swimming in the outside pool because it really seems so good. Nobody at there cause rain, but for me no problem. Rain, lightning, anything cannot stop me cause this is my first day. So we will begin to swim now. Are you ready, bro? Okay. Now we will swim, and I want to share one more video about underground swimming. So see, brother, don't wait me. Is it warm?
Warm.
Oh, I will jump there. Wait me, bro. So you can see so small cat. Ah, wonderful eyes, so greenish. Hello, kitty. How are you? Okay, not talk with me. Brother really liked swimming and say to me, record to me background to hotel and palm trees. Also you can see one there bridge looking good. So first impressions about the Sunis hotel, looking really nice about nature and swimming pools.
Hi, this is Sardar speaking now from Sunis Kumkoy Resort. This is a wonderful place. Beautiful weather. It is mid-September but still hot. Subtropical place. If you look for peaceful and some seaside resort, this place is really wonderful. There is a sea. It's a front beach hotel, many pools and beautiful sand, sea. I like here. We have been many places in Antalya, in Turkey. This is one of the best.
Oh, very good sunset. Very nice.
Oh,
sunset.
really wonderful. Follow Alex. Alex is a really good traveler.
Travel cause my brother helped me a lot. This time later I want to take him many places. We will go to visit the many countries. Follow us, you will see many different things on the world. 100% honest review. We don't need any money from YouTube. Don't need anything, bro.
If you like our videos, just subscribe and like. We like to hear from you.
So we are on the restaurant now. Also first time I see here. This we check. So I must say you guys, you can eat everything without pay money. 24 hours, everything free in here. You can see in here some vegetables, salads. Some sweet tea. It's looking very delicious. So many things around. You can see a lot of different kind of sweets. What is this? Some fish on sweet array. Also you can see many fruits. Some banana, grape, peach, kiwi, and much more. Let's continue. You can take some drinks from here. Also in here you can see a couple of case, some cooking things. I am opening for you. For example, egg and some different stuff. So guys, shortly you can see a lot of things for eating. I think everything is delicious. Looks like so delicious. I will test it also and I will share my experience. But seems a lot of different things. If you come for eat, you can like here. So guys, this is my dinner. I was so hungry and I ate many things because, as I said before, everything is free and I want to eat so much things, guys. But I don't know how can I eat after this some sweets. I want to eat also sweets because I have seen so many delicious sweets. You can see restaurant, many people in here, also a lot of different parts of restaurant. So I will test it and I will share with you delicious or not. So you can see the show, really professional. Black guys really so acrobatic. I like this show. If every night quality shows like this, very wonderful. I like this animation team. So what do you think about this animation? Gel, come here. This small guy also so acrobatic. Brother Tommy, what do you think about this show?
These guys from Kenya and they perform a good acrobatic moves tonight. I like it, really I like it.
Yes, it seems really nice show. I like it too.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, it was our Kenya Acrobacy Show. As you can see, that's one süren Kenya Acrobat Show. Ve değerli misafirlerimiz, bu bizim Kenyalı grubumuz.
Yes, I am on the live performance now. You can see many people dancing. Okay folks, I am traveling around and I have seen this interesting tropical tree. You can see little dark actually, but I want to show you because really so interesting. Look at the tree body. Yes, like nipple, very sharp. You can see I want to touch. Very sharp. It can be dangerous if you are hit this tree. Really can be damaged.